Introducing the Steak Meat Thermometer by Maverick, the world's safest, truly wireless meat thermometer. The built-in supercapacitor is the safest energy storage in high heat. The probe is made from food-grade stainless steel. The heat-resistant ceramic handle will never melt. And best of all, the steak charges by USB in 2 minutes and lasts 4 hours. Launch the easy-to-use Steak app. Insert the steak. Choose your meat and doneness or use presets to suit your taste. The app alerts you when your cook is complete. Gently remove the steak from your meat. You'll get perfectly cooked restaurant-quality results every time. Use for pork, your favorite fish, or chicken. Perfect for your grill, smoker, oven, fry pan, or rotisserie. Cooking perfection with the Steak Meat Thermometer made by Maverick and trusted by you because temperature matters.